Hello everyone, in today's lecture we are going to study problems on series RLC circuit. Contents: simple problems on RLC circuit, comparison of single phase and three phase system. First problem: in a series RLC circuit, R is equal to 30 ohm, L is equal to 15 millihenry and C is equal to 51 microfarad. If the source voltage and the frequency are 12 volt and 60 hertz respectively, what is the current in the circuit? Solution: given R is equal to 30 ohm, L is equal to 15 millihenry, C is equal to 51 microfarad. First we have to find out XL. XL is equal to 25FL. XL equal to, substitute the values, 2 into 3.14 into 60 into 0.015. If we solve this, we will get 5.655 ohm. XC, we know the formula 1 by 25 FC. By substituting the value, we will get XC is equal to 5.655 ohm. Z is equal to, if we solve this, we will get 55.21 ohm. I is equal to V by Z. I is equal to 12 divided by 55.21. If we solve this, we will get I is equal to 0.217 amp. If we convert it in milliamp, I is equal to 217 milliamp. Second problem: a series RLC circuit consists of 20 ohm resistance, a 51 microfarad capacitor and a 25 millihenry inductor. If the source frequency is 50 Hz and the circuit current is 350 milliamp, what is the applied voltage? Solution: given R is equal to 20 ohm, C is equal to 51 microfarad, L is equal to 25 millihenry, I is equal to 350 milliamp. XL is equal to, by substituting the value, we will get 7.85 ohm. XC is equal to, by substituting the value, we will get 62.445 ohm. If you solve this, we will get impedance 58.15 ohm. V is equal to, we know that I into Z, that is 58.15 into 0.35 is equal to 20 volt. These are the simple problems which are asked in the exams. Comparison of single phase and three phase system. First is single phase. It is used when loads are mostly lighting and heating. In three phase, it is used when loads are heavy and requires large power supply. Second point, in single phase system, it is uses only two wires, one for phase and another for neutral. It uses three wires for two phases on. Third, in single phase system, it is more efficient for low capacity installations. Three phase system, it is more economical for high low capacity installations. In single phase system, these systems are large in size, and three phase system, these systems are smaller in size. In single phase system have low distribution capacity and three phase system have high distribution capacity. Important questions asked in this lecture: difference between single phase and three phase system and the problems on RLC circuit. Overall, in this lecture we have studied how to solve the problems on RLC circuit and comparison of single phase and three phase system.